The parallel plate capacitor is charged by connecting a battery through a resistor. If I is the current passing through between a gap of plates, which statement given here is correct regarding the displacement? It's known that when a parallel plate capacitor is charging through battery, the current I will flow through the circuit as well. So as the capacitor charges, the electric field between a plate changes, and that change will produce displacement current in the gap between two parallel plates, which behaves like a real current. And the value of displacement current can be calculated using a formula epsilon naught A times d divided by dt. So here we can say, based on how the electric field changes, it will produce the displacement current. So we can say this displacement current will be equal in the magnitude of actual current in a circuit, which will flow in the same direction as the actual current because it is caused by the charging of a capacitor because of the electric field only. So we can say the displacement current of a magnitude will be equal to the actual current I, and which will follow in the same direction as well. Based on that, we can say correct answer here will be option